Hello, Gel Press fans. Hope you are having a fabulous day today. I am here because in one of our Gel Press creative team meetings, they stated that you could use multimedia, which everybody knows I love multimedia, to do pulls with. And I'm like, what are you talking about? So I went and grabbed my 6x6 gel press plate. I have some Ecoline. Let me open this. So it's Ecoline liquid watercolor. And the cool thing is they have little droppers on the cover. So I just put it into some spray bottles here. I also have a Carabelle Studio plate here, and this is called stained glass. And I'm going to be using a piece of the Talens Art Creation mixed media paper. And these Ecoline liquid watercolors are from Talens also. So let's try this together. So I'm just going to take a wad here of the multi-medium, and I'm just going to spread it all over my gel press. And I'm lightly doing it right now. So then I want to take this stamp here, and I'm going to put it onto the gel press. And we're going to pull that up. And I don't know if you can see, but I can see here. And now I'm just going to take my little spray bottles, and I'm going to spray it onto my gel press. Let's do a little, whoa, we got a wild sprayer going here. All right. Oh, even got into there. So I'm going to take this piece of mixed media paper. I'm going to put it down like that. And I'm not pushing real hard. So let's see what we get. Oh, sorry. Isn't that cool though? Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm going to use another piece of the mixed media paper. I'm going to give this one a little bit more of a push down. So we're going to do this, and let's pull this one. Look how pretty. All right. And then for the last one, I'm just going to use a piece of copy paper. I think I'll run it this way this time. All right, we're going to give a good rub down on this one so that we can pull up any of the residuals that are left on the gel press. And look at that. So that is how I created this little adorable mini book using Eileen Hall's tiny book die. Okay, wait a minute. Stop right here. I need to show you the other step that I took to finish off these papers. So what I did was I sprayed a little bit more of that Ecoline liquid. Woo! There goes that crazy one again. Okay, and then I'm going to take this same stained glass stamp. I'm going to pull it off, and I'm going to turn it over. And now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to stamp into that. I'm not using the whole thing. I'm just taking portions of the color off of the Carabelle stamp to accent that. Like I always say, you don't want to waste any color. So here is just a piece of paper. So we got, look at that. Awesome for the inserts. Okay, let's do one more over here. Pull that off the gel press. More cool papers for inside of the book. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of white acrylic paint, put it on my gel press. I'm going to brayer this white paint around. So I'm going to take my Points Carabelle Studio stamp here. And then I'm going to stamp. See, look. Now I'm going to tell you one thing I've learned about these stamps, and I'm really bad at this, is if you're going to be stamping with paint, like I am here, you need to go and clean it. And it cleans right off wonderfully. But if you don't, you'll have a problem with the stamp being able to pick up paint and deposit it well. So there you go. That's what I did. Now back to the original video. Let's open it up and I'll show you all the little papers inside. Look. Ah! Isn't it beautiful? So there you go. Mixed media matte. I use it from Ranger. This is always my to-go-to adhesive. And the Talens Ecoline liquid watercolors, and the mixed media paper. I will have all of the things that I used in this video listed down in the description with links so you can see where to go get these fun products. But anyways, don't you love it? Alrighty, fans, I'm off to go create a whole bunch more papers. So I'll see you on the flip side. Until then, stay creative. Bye.